Metro Boomin, want some more, nigga.
Exponents, yeah, we do it for the class. Miss Suarez got us doing all this math. Study hard, man, just to pass this class. Study hard, man, just to pass this class. Exponents, man, we do it for the math. Miss Suarez got us working on this math. Yeah, we do it to pass the class. Yeah, we do it to pass the class.
First off, man, we need to evaluate. Hold up, keep it moving, math can never wait. I know all my bars will make you levitate. Hold your horses, say you got a 2 as the base. Exponent is a 5, don't lie. Next up, man, it's time to identify. Take the 2, multiply it 5 times. Finish with the first step, moving up the line.
Yeah. Yeah. Exponents, we do it for the class. Miss Suarez got us doing all this math. Study hard, man, just to pass this class. We study hard, man, just to pass this class.
Product rule, exponents gotta add that. Quotient rule, opposite gotta subtract. Zero rule, exponent turns the base to 1. No, we not done, all this is just for fun. Fake a single term to a power. Must bring each part, come on, you can do it. It ain't that hard.
Yeah. Raise the power to the power, gotta multiply. Everything we doing has you simplify. Hold up, we ain't doing, gotta solve it. Hear me out for this math, you can profit. Suffix for the X. Examples gotta equal for the X. Listen up, man, I'm just teaching all these people.
Exponents, yeah, we do it for the class. Miss Suarez got us doing all this math. Study hard, man, just to pass the class. Miss Suarez only gave us 3 measly days. Had to write the lyrics plus several retakes. Talk about my grade, man, that is so fake. Take it up, please, at least to a 7 date. So I can be a friend, maybe not your enemies. But I'm done, got the badge, call me deputy.
Cop you deputy, that's because you couldn't make the date for this stuff. So what you saying is fake. So get back what you doing on track is so whack. But we gonna stick together, man, I got your back.
Man, I got you, man. What we doing? Gotta pass the class.
Exponents, yeah, we do it for the class. Miss Suarez got us doing all this math. Study hard, man, just to pass this class. We study hard, man.